Hello and welcome to Toppers. I'm Dr. Dinesh Nagpal, Chief Mentor, Career Compass. As all of you know, Career Compass is an organization which is involved in the training of entrance tests like CAT, CLAT, IPM, etc. And the topper corner of this show, we invite our students who are studying in different national level institutes like Indian Institute of Management, National Law Schools, and others. और हम उनसे बातचीत करते हैं, समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, आप तक पहुंचाते हैं उनका नज़रिया कि वो उन्होंने कैसे तैयारी की, जहाँ वो पढ़ रहे हैं वो क्या चीज़ है, क्या है नेशनल लेवल के कॉलेजेस का एंड एंड व्हाट इज लाइफ ऑल अबाउट और उनका फ्यूचर आगे कैसे होने वाला है। आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत इंटेलिजेंट लड़की है और जो मेरी बहुत पर्सनल फेवरेट स्टूडेंट भी है। बिफोर आई शेयर हर नेम विद यू, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। बटन जो है उस पर लगा है बेल बटन वो दबा दें ताकि फिर कुछ नया हो तो आपके पास आ जाए। एंड ऑल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो ताकि हमारे इस टॉपर बच्चे के जो व्यूज है दैट कैन बी शेयर विद लॉट ऑफ। So let me introduce to the guest of the day. I have with me Neha Goel, who is going to
Hi.
at NLU Bhopal, और she's a brilliant girl, all India rank 219 इनका था क्लाट के अंदर और बहुत बड़ा नंबर 3 कॉलेज मानते हैं लोग NLU भोपाल को इंडिया में। It's a brilliant place to study. Welcome to show Neha.
Thank you, sir. Hi, everyone.
Hi Neha. So it's good to have you around Neha. और
Thank you, sir.
जैसा मैंने बोला you are my personal favorite. It was really a treat to teach you as a teacher. बहुत मजा आया आपको पढ़ाने में। Okay. नेहा आपने +2 किया था नॉन मेडिकल से, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
पहले
Yes,
कि
sir.
मैं उसके बारे में बात करूं, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में आप कहां से बिलोंग करती हैं, आप किस सिटी से और कहां से आपने पढ़ाई की, ये थोड़ा सा शेयर कर दीजिए हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ।
Sure, sir. Sir, I come from a town named Mandi Adampur. It's in Haryana. It's a very small town, and during my schooling, I actually never stepped out of that place to learn something, to do something, to pursue my studies. So I studied the 11th and 12th class, but over the 2 years, I realized that science is definitely not for me. So I got to know about CLAT, and then I came to you, and then I knew what I wanted to do in my life. So for me, it's like I fell in love with this when I did it.
Okay, great. Ajay, you had to, first attempt you could make it. You had to drop an year. आपको 1 साल इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ा। आपको
Yes,
लगता है कि वो
yes.
इन्वेस्टमेंट वर्थ है? 1 साल दिया जो आपने।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's completely worth it. Since I told you, I was a PCM student and I didn't know anything about CLAT. So I was very poor in like reasoning skills or my current affairs knowledge or general knowledge, basically.
Yeah.
So I had to start from scratch. Therefore, I had to take a drop, and I think it was completely worth it.
Great. Wonderful. Neha, the general perception is, people are not aware about national law schools. जो
Yes,
national law
sir.
schools हैं, उनकी importance लोगों को पता नहीं। जो general perception है, the general perception about law as a career is कि आप law करिए and you have to sit in the courts और किसी के पास कोई काम नहीं है, सब लोग खाली घूम रहे हैं, right? Because actually people don't know national law schools. तो रियलिटी क्या है? जो नेशनल लॉ स्कूल में बच्चा पढ़ता है, जो टॉप के कॉलेज में बच्चा पढ़ता है, उनके लिए क्या लिटिगेशन ही एक ऑप्शन है या देयर आर मल्टीपल ऑप्शंस?
No, sir. Litigation is just one of plethora of options that NLU provides to its students.
Yeah.
So if you are a person who is looking for something outside the traditional role of lawyers, NLU is your place. So law is just a degree which makes you eligible to do anything that you want in your life.
Very good.
You can be a judge, you can be a legal in-house counsel, you can be a corporate lawyer, you can be a litigator, you can work in different government departments. Almost all the government departments, almost all the private companies has some position to offer to lawyers. Therefore, I think it's a brilliant career option, and it's not definitely limited to traditional courts where you just have to sit on a chair and just looking here and there for times. That's definitely not the case now.
Great. Ajay, so I have been also told that NLU Bhopal has lot of international student exchange programs and also international placements. Is it true?
Yes, sir, it's true. So we have students in our campus who have been to other countries for their exchange programs, for summer courses, for winter courses, for internships, for competitions, and many more things. So definitely we have a really good international exposures, and we have constant visitors from other countries who come to our campus for lectures, seminars, other workshops, competitions, uh, and even to participate in the moods that we organize in our college.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. That's good. So, जब हम when you interact with international students, वो तो बहुत बड़े-बड़े law schools से आते हैं. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके कॉलेज का curriculum is it at par with the international law schools?
Sir, frankly speaking, I never tried talking to them about this, but it seems like that they enjoy when they come to our college. They really appreciate how our college is going, how the course is structured, and how we are taught in our school. So I think, yeah, we do stand at par with them, like to some extent at least.
Okay. Uh, one more question that I would like to ask you is,
Sure, sir.
this question will have two parts. I want to ask from you is, what are your major learnings in NLU Bhopal in two areas? One, the academics, right? What did you learn, etc.
Yes, sir.
Second is extracurricular activities, right? Three, how has NLU contributed making you into a smart, confident young lady that you are now?
So, from academic side, since my course is BA LLB honors, for the first 2 years, we are majorly taught subjects that belong to humanities, basically. So, I have studied political science, economics, history, sociology, and English as well. So, apart from these subjects, I had a couple of subjects belonging to law also in my first 2 years. From third year on, they start completely with law. So in law, I have studied like corporate law, securities market law, torts, constitution, and all the major legislation that a lawyer must be aware of.
Mhm.
And we have many more to come in next 2 years. So on academic side, it's really brilliant, a very structured way of teaching, very structured way of subjects in every batch, and teachers are also really good, who are always enthusiastic about teaching you, taking your doubts. And on academic side, it's just perfect.
Good.
Then sir, on on the other side, I would say I realized sometimes that what I did not learn during 18 or 19 years, first 18 or 19 years of my life, I have learned all that in just 3 years in this college. So now I feel I'm much more confident, much more aware about things around me now. I know my rights, I know other people's right. I can speak on any topic. I have a legal point of view. I have something to speak on every topic. So I think that has changed me as a person. I see myself growing in this college.
Wonderful. That's really, really good. So you've been participating in some activities in the college?
Yes, sir. I have participated in many competitions. I have participated in 3 moot court competitions, 1 debate competitions, 1 MUN, and many more things that like regularly happen in the college.
Organizing the fest and all. I've been told that your
Yes.
fest is actually very great. You have a very wonderful fest going on every year.
So we have actually 3 fests: the cultural fest, literary fest, and sports fest, and all 3 are amazing.
Okay. Are you associated
So
with?
everyone will find something of his or her interest.
I will also told that I want to ask you, how is the life at NLU Bhopal? क्योंकि बहुत सारे जो बच्चे आपको सुन रहे हैं उनको लगता है कि हॉस्टल में जाओ तो शायद इतना कुछ फैसिलिटीज नहीं होती, प्रॉब्लम होता है और स्पेशली नेशनल लॉ स्कूल्स के बारे में मालूम नहीं है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू दैट एज ए स्टूडेंट पिछले 3 साल में हैज योर गाइड बीन कंफर्टेबल इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इन टर्म्स ऑफ फूड, लाइब्रेरी, टीचर सपोर्ट, सीनियर स्टूडेंट, जो भी जरूरत होती है एक नए बच्चे को जो आपका
Yes, sir.
when you went in first year, तो क्या ऐसी चीजें थी that made you comfortable and you really whether you enjoyed the life out there or not?
So first thing that I think every NLU provides is the environment, which forces you to push your limits. It develops you as a person. On infrastructure side, we have an amazing infrastructure, well-maintained libraries, hostels, sports complex, and every other thing. And we have amazing seniors who are always there to help you, amazing teachers. We have so many college fests and so many college committees working in the campus who actually give you the real work-life experience. So there was a misconception I had earlier that life in a law school might not be that fun, but I was wrong. So we have so many parties, so many outings, and it's amazing to be at NLIU.
And how is Bhopal as a city?
Sir, I love Bhopal. It's a clean, pure, beautiful green city. So near our college only, we have a dam at 3 kilometers, and it's like every week's thing for all the students.
Great. And how about the food and hostel facilities?
Food is good, sir. It's really good. We get meals 4 times a day. So in even snacks, we get like really good dishes, and yeah,
Wonderful.
it's really nice.
Okay. So, since you had a very high rank in the CLAT examination, what will be your advice to the people, first of all, appearing this year, CLAT 20? Then we come one more question. How should
So
one
I
prepare
would
in last
say
50 days?
Sir, I would say the same thing which you used to tell us, just practice, practice, and practice. That's the only key to it. So I remember I did over 80 to 90 mocks over my uh, preparations year. So, and one thing that I want to say is don't take it light. It does require honest efforts. And since the CLATs CLAT has changed now, the structure has changed. It's more of comprehension based now. So reading is a must. Reading newspaper should be a habit, and then you have it all.
Uh, how about somebody who is going to appear in 2021 and 22? उनको क्या advice देंगे?
Sir, reading. Sir, just read whatever you get, just read it. You have to maintain your pace. You have to maintain your pace with accuracy. So improve your vocabulary, improve your speed, try to understand, try reading some abstract pieces of reading. So it will increase your comprehension, it will increase your cognitive skills, and that's what I think CLAT is about now.
Great, wonderful. Neha, one more question. Since you spent 1 year with us, uh, where do you see or how much do you see our role in shaping your success in CLAT exam?
So I wouldn't be able to do this if not for you. I had amazing teachers who were always there, who were always enthusiastic about teaching us, who were always there to clear my doubts, be it over phone or during class or after class. So we were given regular worksheets to solve in class. Mm, and yeah, it was really nice. I couldn't be able to do it if not for you.
Okay, great. Right, Neha, it's actually very amazing. When I tell people about you that you come from a very small town and you cracked that and you are in the top and you're doing very well, people find it very difficult to believe, but we know that you've done it. So, Neha, it was really, really wonderful talking to you. I hope
Thank you.
the आपने जो views दिए हैं, the students will benefit from it. And from our side, from all your teachers, faculty, including me, we wish you all the best in life. I
Thank
hope
you, sir.
that जैसा आपने class में किया, you will come with flying colors all in your life. And it was really, really wonderful talking to you. And we looking
Thank you, sir.
forward to meeting you once the lockdown is over. Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.